Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you these three things that I like. Those two I made and that I bought. So, first of all I'm going to start with this. So this is my putty. It's like really light and soft kind of texture. So that's that. My favourite colour as well. I'm going to put that back in there. Right. Now I'm going to show you this one. So I made this is my first one that I made, so it wasn't that good. I thought I had enough of this stuff to go around it, but I obviously didn't. So here's the money that I'm going to put in. So, okay, so they both went in that part there. And now I'm going to add all the squishies in there. And I'm going to pull this all the way. Then I'm going to close it. Oh, wait. So I have to hear it drop, basically. Some of them are big, and I probably got one of the rare squishies that don't fit through. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, that's one of the rare ones. Probably. Yeah, that is. We need to get that out actually, because we don't need that now. We don't have rare ones. Alright, so let's put that one back. Let's just do this example. So I'm gonna put just one there. I'm gonna pull it. So that's gone in there. And I'm going to close this. And behind here, there's a bottle. And this is all the cardboard. I've just been working on it. So there's this. I'm going to twist it. Then I'm going to twist that bit all the way to bottom. And then, so I can see the pink bit. And I'm going to put my hand in. Should be right there. And yeah. So that's the first one. And I'm going to give it a little shake. That was the other one. I'm going to pull it all the way so we can see that. And then I'm going to close it. And then I'm going to go to this. Turn. Go in here. Oh yeah, this is one of the water ones. Actually, I have another one in here. There. So yeah, that was a bit worn out. So there's two of them. And about 20 people. So, next is this. I just made this 2 days ago. So there's a little flower kind of thing there. And there's a penguin. And there's some bread. So I'm going to try turn that. So this is what's inside of it. There's the money. I just got some cards because I didn't have anything else. So there's the things that I put. I just put them on these little stands. Held the money up with just some sellotape. Opened a little box there. It's where the prize is. And that's basically it. So when I put the money through there, it'll go into there. So, go. Pull that back. I'll try to turn it without... I didn't want to really colour it in because it would take ages. So I just took some stickers on it and stuff like that. So, I'm going to need to put the money in first. I'm going to put the money in first. Oh. I want it. There you go. And then I'm going to put this one. Okay. The money just went in there. And then I'm going to get this. And I'm going to I'm going to hit this. Actually, I might start with the bottom one. So, ready? You have to keep on hitting it. Oh, yes, I got the top one off. So, I just got that one off. And now the top one, I already got that one off by hitting that one. So, they're both there. That one's down there. So, that one. Now, this one normally gets stuck at the back, so you need to keep on hitting them all. Oh, it's going through. Yeah. Oh, yeah, it did get stuck. Oh, it might have. No, it didn't. So, the prizes are in there. Okay, let's get them out. I'm going to put the hair back on there. Right, so here's the penguin. I love this one. That's like one of my favourites. Then the bread is here. Oh, nearly had it. Where's the bread? Oh, there it is. It's right at the back. Oh my gosh, I dropped it again. There we go. It's not that slow rising. Oh, cool. Feels like rough there. Wait. Oh. Yay. Oh, it's going to fall. Oh. Come on. Let's get the other one. The other one's there. Oh, just about reach it. No. Oh, there you go. Oh, no. Drops it again. There we go. So there's this one. Yeah. So they're the three. Oh, wait. I only put 20p in. Yeah, you only put 20p in this because they're really small. Yeah, that's the new rule. I just realised. Anyway, the prizes that I won. Well, didn't win that. But yeah. So please subscribe, like, turn notifications on, and comment. Bye.